Aluminum radiator. Trying to make a mess. Oh, HR. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so I had to unpack it outside because my wife is working inside, and she's like a social worker and she can't, you know, talk about stuff. It's confidential stuff, but she can't talk about stuff around me or anybody. So let me go ahead and just cut this open. Oh man. So it took over, it took about a month for the damn package to get here. So I made like a bulk order. Hold on. So I placed a bulk order with Hybrid Racing. Ordered, damn, cheapo scissors. Ordered a whole bunch of stuff. Ordered a whole bunch of stuff, but they didn't have this radiator or the no cut shifter in stock. So there's like a delay. Hold on. Oh man. Yeah, so there's a delay. So this finally came in after a month. I think the shifter should be in next week. I mean, in stock next week, and then plus another week to get shipped out. So, I mean, it sucks, but at the same time, I think it's alright because I'm in the process of moving. Won't be working on the car much, so I'll just wait on that. I think it's supposed to come with some bracket. It might be in the box. I'll check in the box in a little bit once I get inside. But man, this looks pretty cool. And that's the back side. And that's the front side. Ooh, what the heck is that? There. A little bit right there. Look at these wells though. Man, that's pretty nice. So I went back inside, grabbed the box, and it also comes with the put it behind this background so it can focus better. So it's gonna be on top of the radiator, so it goes right here, which is pretty cool. And these are made for with these radiator, this half-size radiator, it's gonna sit on the driver's side, and it sits where the AC condenser was, and it should be direct fit. I don't have to cut anything or buy any radiator stay, bracket, whatever. So yeah, excited. Yo, so I got some time for this whole week to work on this. So right now we're gonna kind of mock up the radiator fan. This is how it's gonna look like for now. So I tried pushing it up here or putting it here, but it was gonna hit that. I don't know what that sensor is called for that, but yeah, it's gonna hit that. So I'm just gonna install it up in the front. So it's gonna look like that. Alright, so I had to take the radiator out and install the fan this way. So the fan, let me see if you guys can see it. So I had to install this little rubber thingies right here. So that'll help with the vibration. I'm gonna center it. And then I'm gonna run these things through it, so it'll go in each of these holes. There's 4 of them. It's just gonna go through the back. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you guys. Alright, so I got all 4 of them in, and turn it around. So it should look like that. It should stick out like that. And then you just put these little clips in, kind of like a zip tie thing. You put them in there, and all 4 of them, and they should hold like a zip tie. So that's how it looks with the little clips installed. And you just basically just cut them off, and that's it. So you do it for all 4. It barely wants to fit. It's real tight. Boom. So that's how it looks. So the cool thing is it comes with the hybrid racing radiator. You don't have to cut these off. You can use the AC condenser one. So let me lift it up and I'll show you guys. So see how that goes in there. There's a grommet you can use. You just put it in. Alright, so it does clear. Everything does clear. So nothing's hitting here. You can go up here. Everything pretty much clears. It's real tight right here. Let me focus. So it's real tight like right here, but it clears barely. And all that space down there is pretty good. Everything clears. Just gotta hook it up and have it suck in instead of blow out, or suck in this way, comes out that way. The cool thing about the hybrid racing radiator hose, I can cut it right there and it can slip on to the radiator. That's pretty dope. So we should almost be done. So it's cut, installed, pretty clean. So I basically, the clamp that I have right here, slid it down. I'll get another clamp for it later. Should have one somewhere around here. And I gotta redo this because when I put this on, it kind of kinks right there. See that? When I push it, it kinks right there. So it's kind of, I don't know, gotta adjust it or shorten it or something. I'll figure it out. So I'm pretty much done with the radiator. Let's see. So that's how it looks like. I got the fan installed. Also the cooler for the power steering right there. So that's hooked up as well. Power steering done, just no fluid. Connected the hoses, fits pretty well down there. So I ended up getting the RSX fan switch. I'm just hooking this is a Sparks K20 or K-swap harness. Ran it through with the clutch line. So just follow it through with the clutch line and goes into the firewall. No coolant yet. Still waiting for some other stuff, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So you just ran the Sparks wire harness. This connects to the engine harness, and there's another one that goes up that connects to the fan switch. This should be a black one. I'm gonna show you guys. So when you guys do have the K-swap harness. See, this is the black one I'm talking about. It should come with this cover on there. Then what I did was ran it through like that. Here it is. Kind of just line it up with the clutch line. I'm gonna zip tie it, and then it goes straight down all the way to the fan switch. So that's pretty much it.